Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of small businesses and side hustles, but with a twist. We're looking at 25 incredible business machines, all under £500, that can help you start making money right from your garage. These machines offer a low barrier to entry, allowing you to experiment with different business ideas without breaking the bank. Whether you're passionate about crafting, tech, food, or anything in between, there's something on this list for you. Let's get started. First up, we have the 3D printer, a game changer for creating custom products. Imagine printing anything from phone cases and jewelry to prototypes for your inventions. You can find decent 3D printers for under £500, and the running costs are surprisingly affordable. With online marketplaces like Etsy, selling your 3D printed creations has never been easier. Find a niche, get creative, and watch your 3D printing business take off. Next, we have the versatile vinyl cutter. This machine allows you to create custom decals, stickers, and even signage for businesses. You can find beginner-friendly vinyl cutters for well under our budget, and the materials are relatively inexpensive. Leverage social media to showcase your designs and attract customers looking for unique and eye-catching creations. Ever dreamt of launching your own clothing line? With a heat press machine, you can turn that dream into reality. Design your own graphics or even offer personalized designs for an extra special touch. You can snag a quality heat press for under £500, and the cost of materials like t-shirts and heat transfer paper is low, giving you a healthy profit margin. Don't underestimate the humble button maker. These little machines can be a goldmine for creating custom buttons for events, promotions, or even as a quirky fashion statement. Button makers are super affordable, often under £50, leaving you plenty of budget for materials. Target local businesses, schools, and event organizers to secure bulk orders and watch your profits multiply. Laser engravers are incredible for adding a touch of personalization to almost anything. Engrave on wood, metal, glass, leather, and more to create custom gifts, jewelry, phone cases. The list goes on. Offer personalized engraving services at craft fairs, online marketplaces, or even partner with local businesses for corporate gifts. Similar to heat presses, embroidery machines let you add that premium handcrafted feel to apparel. Embroidery is a high-demand service, especially for businesses, sports teams, and schools. You can find capable embroidery machines within our budget and start creating professional-looking apparel right away. Who doesn't love the warm glow and inviting sense of candles? With a candle making kit, you can craft your own unique blends and start a soothing side hustle. Candle making kits are very affordable, and the materials are readily available online or at craft stores. Sell your candles online at craft fairs or even partner with local boutiques to reach a wider audience. Just like candle making, soap making offers a creative outlet with high profit potential. Focus on creating unique selling points like all-natural ingredients, luxurious scents, or even soaps tailored for specific skin types. Online marketplaces and farmers markets are great places to sell your handmade soaps and connect with customers who value handcrafted goods. Calling all coffee lovers! If you're passionate about coffee, why not take it a step further and start roasting your own beans? Home coffee roasters have become increasingly affordable. Sell your freshly roasted coffee online at farmers markets or even partner with local cafes to supply them with your unique roasts. A label printer might seem like a small investment, but it's essential for any business selling physical products. Create professional-looking labels for your products, packaging, and even shipping. You can find high-quality label printers for under £100, and the labels themselves are relatively inexpensive. A small investment that can significantly elevate your brand image. Screen printing is a fantastic way to create custom apparel, posters, and even art prints. With a screen printing kit, you can print on various materials like fabric, paper, and even wood. You can find complete screen printing kits for under our budget, making it an accessible business venture. Target local businesses, schools, or even bands looking for custom printed merchandise. If you have a passion for jewelry, a jewelry making kit can be your ticket to starting a creative and profitable business. Jewelry making kits are very affordable and the materials are readily available online or at craft stores. Sell your creations online at craft fairs or even consign them to local boutiques. The Cricut machine has taken the crafting world by storm. This versatile machine allows you to cut intricate designs from various materials like paper, vinyl, cardstock, and even fabric. Cricut machines are available at various price points, and you can find models within our budget that offer a wide range of capabilities. A sewing machine is a must-have for anyone interested in creating custom clothing, accessories, or even home decor items. You can find reliable sewing machines for under £500, and the cost of fabric and other materials varies depending on your projects. In the digital age, there's still something special about holding a physical photograph. Look for printers that offer excellent color accuracy and archival quality inks for long-lasting prints. You can even expand your services by offering custom framing, canvas prints, or photo books. Healthy snacks are in high demand, and a food dehydrator allows you to create delicious and nutritious treats like dried fruit beef, jerky fruit leather, and even kale chips. Food dehydrators are surprisingly affordable, and the running costs are relatively low. Package your snacks attractively and sell them online at farmers markets or even to local health food stores. Chocolate is a universal language of love and indulgence, and with a chocolate molding kit, you can create beautiful and delicious chocolate creations. Chocolate molding kits are very affordable, and the cost of ingredients like chocolate and fillings is manageable. Package your chocolates beautifully and sell them online at craft fairs or even to local cafes and gift shops. Pottery is a timeless craft that allows you to create functional and beautiful pieces from clay. Pottery wheels can range in price, but you can find beginner-friendly models for under £500. Sell your creations online at craft fairs or even consign them to local art galleries or home decor stores. Leather crafting offers endless possibilities for creating high-quality, durable goods like wallets, belts, bags, and even journals. Leather goods are always in demand, and handcrafted items command a premium price. Sell your creations online at craft fairs or even offer custom leatherworking services. Woodworking is a rewarding skill that allows you to create custom furniture, home decor, and even toys. Focus on creating smaller items like cutting boards, wooden spoons, or picture frames initially, then gradually expand your skills and offerings. Sell your creations online at craft fairs or even partner with local furniture stores or interior designers. Airbrushing is a versatile technique for creating stunning art, customizing apparel, or even adding unique finishes to cars and motorcycles. Practice your airbrushing skills and offer custom painting services for t-shirts, murals, or even automotive detailing. Button badges never seem to go out of style, and with a button badge maker, you can tap into this ever-popular market. Button badge makers are very affordable, and the materials are inexpensive, making it a low-cost business venture with the potential for high profits. Paper crafting is experiencing a resurgence, and a paper cutting machine can take your projects to the next level. You can find electronic cutting machines within our budget that connect to your computer, allowing you to design and cut intricate patterns with ease. Candle dipping is a traditional candle making method that produces beautiful textured candles. Experiment with different wax colors and dipping techniques to create unique designs. Sell your dipped candles online at craft fairs or even partner with local businesses like spas or gift shops. Even if you don't have a lot of space, you can start a small business growing and selling plants with a mini greenhouse kit. Grow herbs, succulents, or even starter plants for vegetables and flowers. Sell your plants online at farmers markets or even offer plant delivery services to your local community. There you have it, 25 business machines under £500 that can help you kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. Remember, the key to success is to find something you're passionate about, research your target market, and create high-quality products that people will love. The most important step is to take action. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more small business tips and ideas. See you in the next video.